Hello everyone, Gordon Smith here, Sales and Leasing Consultant at Star Motors of Ottawa. Today I'm here to present you 2024 GLC43 AMG, long awaited and just has arrived. This vehicle is equipped with a 2-liter handcrafted inline 4-cylinder hybrid assist engine that gives you 416 horsepower, 369 foot-pounds of torque for your driving pleasure. This vehicle is obsidian black metallic with a power red leather interior, very well equipped with night package Distronic upgraded Burmester sound system. You have wireless phone charging, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and much, much more. The GLC43 is equipped with ample cargo space. As you can see with the liftgate open, power liftgate, we also have easy access with the 40-20-40 split fold-down seats, and I can access those with the access of one button. Thank you everybody for watching this video on the 2024 GLC43 SUV. We're very excited to have this vehicle in inventory. If you have any questions, would like to stop by for a test drive, please come visit us at Star Motors of Ottawa. Thanks again.